People like you and me who have chronic pain, how do we manage our energy? So throughout the day we have to complete certain number of tasks, but we cannot do everything. You must have noticed that during the day after a certain time, maybe it's lunch for you, maybe it's 12 p.m. or maybe it's later in the day, that our energies get depleted and we are not able to complete everything which we plan. So in those cases I want you to remember that you can do anything but not everything. In chronic pain it is important to manage our energy. How we are going to navigate our day makes a very big difference towards the end of the day and towards the next day as well. So on some days we feel unstoppable, we can do everything. It's like I will finish this, then I will finish this, then I will finish that, and then some days just getting by through the day is just like an achievement. So in that case I don't want you to be crashing out. What I do is just see, when I have a say number of tasks, I just see, okay, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, but after finishing all this, will I have energy for tomorrow, or I am going to just crash out? Is the pain going to flare up, or is it like I will have the energy for tomorrow's task as well? See, if I have 5 tasks and I can just do 2 of them and then the remaining 3 can be done tomorrow, then I will always go for that approach instead of just finishing all the 5 tasks today and then crashing out tomorrow. Increasing my pain and fatigue doesn't make any sense. So whenever you have a list of tasks, I will just advise, just see how many these things can you finish today without crashing yourself, without just burning yourself out, and what you can shift to tomorrow. It's okay that some tasks are pending, we will have to come back to it tomorrow, but at least you will be okay to come back to it. If we tend to focus too much on what all needs to be done and we rarely give ourselves credit what we have already completed or what we have already achieved. So a mentor once told me that be kinder to yourself. So whenever we go through this training, it's quite exhausting, and after a while things stop getting into your brain, they are just not getting registered. So at that moment a mentor told me, it's okay, you will learn about it again, just be kinder to yourself, complete this first. So it's not like you are not doing anything, you have done a lot of things. Give yourself credit for that, give yourself credit where it's due. It's not like just keep on focusing on what all you have to do, just focus. Sometimes it's important to focus on what all you have done. Just look back all the tasks that you have completed and remember that if you take care of yourself, you can always complete more tasks, or you can get back to the earlier tasks again tomorrow. Be kinder to yourself. So if you are also dealing with chronic pain, I will say that your energy is limited, protect it, use it intentionally, especially on things which matter most to you. See you in the next video.